isn't tan. What am I listening to? What am I listening to? This isn't tan.
Okay.
This is orange as
Relax, sir. Relax. It's okay. It's okay.
It's not okay.
Menkenball continued questioning Lindsay.
Do you have any items in your jacket?
Hell yeah, I got items in my jacket. The items that I walked in here with.
Westchester Police body camera video shows officers Tim Menkenball and Tanner Sendez looking for a possible shoplifter 10 minutes after a police dispatcher gave this description.
Caucasian male, maybe late 30s. He's wearing a dark green / gray type colored Carhartt coat. Got a red hoodie underneath. I believe he has a cutting device.
Is this him right here walking up to us?
Within a few minutes after they arrived in the store, Sendez points to a man he said looked in his direction and mirrored the officer.
Yeah, I'm looking at Carhartt farther left. It's not Carhartt. There isn't even anything like him.
But despite Menkenball's doubts, the senior officer leads Sendez, a trainee, toward Eric Lindsay, a 60-year-old black man wearing a puffy orange coat.
Hey, boss. Come talk to me.
A police department internal investigation of the incident found at this point you can hear a police dispatcher on the body camera video telling officers that the real suspect was still in a different part of the store.
Clint Meyer, on the general merchandise side still in the candle pile.
I'm doing well until I got stopped. What's up?
Yeah, LP called and said that he looked at concealed some items inside your jacket.
Then, Officer Sendez tells Lindsay that Meyer Loss Prevention said the suspect is wearing a tan jacket, even though police records show that wasn't true.
Well, what did they say? Because I walked in here after you guys.
Listen. Yep.
This isn't tan. What am I listening to? What am I listening to? This isn't tan. This is orange as
Relax, sir. Relax. It's okay. It's okay.
It's not okay.
Menkenball continued questioning Lindsay.
Do you have any items in your jacket?
Hell yeah, I got items in my jacket. The items that I walked in here with behind you guys.
Okay. Well, that's not what we're being told.
After that, the police dispatcher is heard saying the real suspect is near Valentine's cards. Sendez leaves with a Meyer employee, later identified as a manager. Menkenball follows. 2 minutes later, a different officer arrested a white man who matched the description of the suspect.
If they made a mistake like that and it was truly a mistake, what kind of people are you hiring and giving a gun to?
They made mistakes here.
Westchester Police Chief Joel Herzog says the police department's internal investigation found Menkenball and Sendez violated police department policy that prohibits unjustifiable stopping and questioning of citizens, but found no evidence that the officers stopped Lindsay because he's black.
When Officer Sendez first saw him and when Officer Menkenball first saw him, neither could tell his race. I think Officer Sendez says he kept mirroring me, which he felt in his experience in loss prevention led to, hey, this guy's watching us also, so maybe this guy's involved. But descriptions constantly change in our line of work.
But there's no evidence that description changed, correct?
Not in this, no. But that doesn't mean between the time the description's put out, they have clothing in the store. Many times suspects discard what they're wearing.
The I-team asked Herzog and Lindsay to watch the same body camera video of the incident and describe what they see.
These guys remained professional throughout this. They didn't escalate as Mr. Lindsay.
You got the wrong. Admit it. Admit it.
Lindsay says he saw disrespectful and clueless officers.
For someone to make a mistake like that, are they that incompetent?
But Lindsay says he's also concerned about his anger and loud cursing at the officers.
It's nothing that I'm proud of.
He says since college and throughout his life, police officers in different communities have stopped and questioned him for no good reason.
You reach a boiling point, and I guess that was mine.
The Westchester Police Department gave officers Menkenball and Sendez administrative warnings and required them to get retrained on field interviews.
It was about as minimal of a contact as you can have with police. It was just a simple walk-up, consensual encounter, some questioning, and that was it.
Lindsay filed a lawsuit last month against the Westchester Police Department, officers Menkenball and Sendez, and the Meyer Company, claiming they conspired to violate his rights.
Do I need to have been tased or cuffed to feel like I was done wrong?
See, right now, you're wasting his time.
Okay, do you understand why I'm searching you, sir?
I don't understand why you're searching me. That's why I said you just profiling me. You're profiling me, mate. You're wasting your time.
I've explained it to you a few times. I'm happy to go for it again.
No, I'm not happy. Sure. I'm not happy. So I can go in the park whatever I want, man.
understand that, but we've given our reasons as to why we suspect. That's
You
all
see
we
what?
need.
You see right now? They've been harassing man right now. I'm outside in the park. Just a free person going in the park having the fresh air. They're coming here trying to search me. Yeah. You can do what you want to do right now.
Spin around to your right, sir. Again. Face towards the van. Thank you.
That's what you do, man. I know you got to waste your time. You're probably gonna go outside and catch a criminal, whatever you want. You know what I mean? I need a search warrant as well.
Raise your hand, please.
Don't need a search warrant, sir.
No, I
Raise your
need.
hand, please.
No, I need it.
So raise
I
your
need
hand,
that signature because I need to go and make a complaint.
You can have it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I need that. I need that. Yeah, I need that. Yeah.
Certainly.
We don't need a warrant. What's your name, sir?
I can't give you a name. My name.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's the first time you are coming across this channel, consider subscribing, sharing and liking this video. I want us to do a discussion about this Rastaman that you've just seen is being harassed by a police officer. There have been this notion, and the stereotype is growing bigger and bigger, in that some people think it's true many black folks or the African people are much associated with crime. Okay, let's say this. For instance, this guy is being arrested for absolutely no offense, because at the end of the video you're going to realize he's going to be released free because he's just being suspected, and the speculations that I'm talking about of blacks being associated with crime. That's scene one. The scene two, this guy is being harassed by a police officer of having shoplifted in a supermarket in the States. And after all, it's found that it's a white guy who did the uplifting. What does this shows? The insinuations around Africans, blacks being associated with crime. The Rastamen, the Jamaican Rastafaras, or the African people with long hair being assumed as criminals or in some way offensive people. It is way bigger, and it is growing and making it to be real in a way. And so many people have been affected, those living in the diaspora, mostly in the UK, United States and Canada. Most people have been arrested for crimes that they haven't committed just because of their outlooks, the physical appearance, the first impressions that someone builds after seeing you. Because you are Rastafarian or having that long hair, someone just thinks you are doing drugs or you are in some way associated with crime or having committed a crime. This shows that we black people have been put in some kind of place where they think we can't do our things in the right way. We can't do things without having to do corruption or having to maneuver in those malicious ways. We African people, we the black people, people from the Caribbean, we are people of integrity, and we know how to look and to fetch a life without having to steal or do the shoplifting or something of that sort. Let me know of whatever you think of this video in the comment section. Do you really think it's good, or when we are mishandled for things that we have not done just because of our skin color or the physical outlook that we have? The first impressions that we build in the mindsets of people after seeing us, because of our color, because of the hair we have, and because of those physical appearances that have made many black folks to rot in jail for crimes they didn't commit, for things that they were just said but they were never committed by them. Some other people go free for committing crimes, but the black people have to take the burden for them. They have to go and answer some questions in court. Let me know whatever you think of this video and so many other things of this like that are happening in the diaspora. That's in the UK, in Germany. Yeah, in Germany also they really happen, in the United States, in Canada, and some parts of Africa too. They really happen within our black folks. Thank you so much for watching, and if it's the first time you are coming across this channel, please consider subscribing.